Good morning, students. In the last class we discussed problems based on cone. So, what about problems we discussed? The problems based on CSA of cone, TSA of cone, and the value of a cone. So, in last class I gave one homework. I did half of the problem. So, remaining part, simplification part, I leave to you. I hope you completed. Even though once again we have to see. So, that is question number 8. So we have to find the areas of the canvas cloth. We know already half of the part of that one is a cylindrical, remaining half is a cone. So first we have to see the conical part. That is either we know the h value, r value. So we have to find the slanted. Why? Because so what you have to find CSC of the cone you want to find. So we require pi r l. We know pi value 22/7, r is a 4.5, l is a 7.5. How we know 7.5? So we know only h and r, height of the cone and radius of the cone we know by applying the formula relation among slant height and radius. L square equal to h square plus r square. If you simplify like this, 6 square, 36 plus 4.5 whole square, it becomes 20.25. So L square equal 36 plus 20.25, that is 56.25. L equals to 56.25 under root of 56.25. If you find this square root, you know very well, you learn in first chapter. That is how to find root 56. You can write 55,625 by 100. Root 5625, nothing but you get 75. Root 110. So 75 by 10. 7.5. So once if you know L, so we can find CSA of cone pi r l 22/7 into 4.5 into 7.5. If you multiply numerator, all the values 742.5. Denominator still we have 7. If you divide with 7, you will get 106.07 centimeters square. That is the CSA of cone. Still we require CSA of a cylinder. That is 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22/7, r we know direct 4.5. So h is this one height of the cylinder. So that is a 4.8. So 2 into 22/7 into 4.5 into 4.8. If you multiply the numerator all the values 950 in 0.4. If you divide with 7, you will get 135.77 centimeters square. So for this is our main diagram. What is the canvas cloth required for this? So CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder, that is area of canvas cloth. Area canvas cloth. Canvas equals to CSA of cylinder, that is 135.77 plus CSA of cone, that is 106.07. So we can write 135.77 plus 106.07 4 1 8 11 1 4. So that is 241.84 centimeters square. This is the canvas cloth to get the cylindrical part and conical part. This is our last class simplification. So we are going to see today remaining problems. So before going to the next problem, we have to see what is the use of the cone in our daily life. So where we applied, coming to the chemistry lab or any chemical companies, so there will be funnel which is in the shape of cone. So what is the use of this one? They will use this funnel to to transfer the liquid or solution from one beaker to another beaker. For example, like this, one beaker is there. So you will get funnel like this. So in olden days we may say at home. So to transfer the kerosene or petrol from one bottle to another bottle, or can go into the another bottle, like that. In solution also they will, for this one they can transfer it easily from one beaker to another beaker. Okay. So now we have to see the question number 9. What is question number 916? So is given what length of propelling 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tank of 8 meter, base radius is 6 meter. So and the question is given what length of the propelling 3 meter wide will be required to, what length we don't know, one rectangle type there. So this is the wide of this one, nothing but that we have to consider 3 meters. So we don't know length of this one. L is converted into a cone of measurements of cones given. What is the measurement of cone? 8 meter height and base radius is 6 meters. So H or L. So very important. This is the length. This is a slant height. So I want to give here. I want to use the capital L to avoid the confusion. So small L is the length of slant height of the cone. Capital L is the length of the propelling. Okay. So this rectangle type cloth or paper is converted into a cone. So we have to find the length of this propelling. So breadth wide is given 3 meters. What is the L? So what you have to write? So area of this rectangle is equal to, what about this one? CSA of cone. So what you have to write? What is given? Given radius of base, radius of cone, R equals to given. So what is the R equals to? 6 meters. Next, height of the cone is given. Height equals to H equals to 8 meters. Okay, one more thing is also given. Wide of the propelling, nothing but breadth of rectangle is given. Rectangle equals to 3 meters. So we have to find length of this one. We don't know, right? Length of propelling. X. So area of rectangle is equals to CSA of cone. So do you want to find CSA of cone? We know the formula. So that is pi r L. So R is given, but H is given, L is not given. So we have to find the first length, slant height of the cone. For that we have relation. So what about our relation? So L square equals to H square plus R square, because it is a right circular cone. So L square equals to H square plus R square. So L square equal to H square, 8 square plus 6 square. So L square equal to L square is a 64 plus 36. L square equals to 100. Then L equals to 10. So the root of 100 we will get the 10. So slant height of the cone we know. Now we can equate this. Area of the rectangle equals to CSA of cone. So what is area of the rectangle? You know, L into B. So we can write area of rectangle equals to CSA of cone. So what is the area of the rectangle? L into B. So capital L, what we consider it as a X. So B is a 3. So X into 3 is equals to CSA of cone, that is pi r L. Pi r L. So 3x is equals to pi, that is 22 by 7 into r radius, that is a 6 meters plus L. What is the length of slant height? That is 10. So x equals to, you can say 22 by 7 into 6 into 10 by, so 3 is a multiplication, it becomes a division. So we can cancel 3 ones are 3 2s are. So x equals to, x nothing but a length of the rectangle is equals to 22 into 2, that is 44 into 10, 440 divided by 7. So 22 into 2, 44 into 10, 440 by 7. So we have to convert this fraction into a decimal form. So what will happen? So x equals to, we have to divide 440 by 7. So 447. Okay. 440. I think with 6. 7 6 are 42. 2 0. 23 are 21. We can take only 2. 7 2s are 14. 6.0. Next. 67 ends up 56. Next 4. So 62.8 meters. 62.8 meters. This is the length of the tarpaulin. But is given one condition in that. So assume that extra length of material that will be required for stitching, margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeters. While converting rectangle into a cone, in that case, some part of this, some length of the rectangle is wasted to stitching. Okay, if you convert it into this like this, we can stitch or you can waste. This small portion is wasted. So that is also given how much length? That is 20 centimeters. So wasted length. Wasted length equals to 20 centimeters. Here we have in terms of meters. Here centimeters. Convert it to the meters. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meters. 20 by 100 centimeters. This becomes meters. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 by 10. 0.2 meters. This 0.2 meters wasted. So actual length. So actually this is be converted into cone. In that this 0.2 meters is wasted. So actual length equals to this L plus 0.2. L plus 0.2. So before length of the rectangle is 62.8 meters. 62.8 meters plus 0.2. If we add this two, we get it 63 meters. This is the actual length of the tarpaulin. Very important. First we convert a rectangle into a cone. So area of the rectangle equals to curved surface area of the cone. After equating, we are getting the length of the rectangle. So that is 62.8 meters. But is given one condition. While converting this rectangle into a cone, some portion is wasted. That portion we have to add, that is 0.2 meters. Then we will get the length of the turtle. This is the actual length. This is the rectangle. This remaining length. So that is 63 meters. So we have to see the question number 10. Question number 10. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius is 7 centimeters, height is 27 centimeters. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So we have to see question number 10. A joker cap is in the form of cone. For this cone, H, R and L. What is given? Radius of the base is given. Radius R equals to 7 centimeters. Next, height is given. H equals to 27 centimeters. So, what do you find? So find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So first we have to find the CAC of one cone. So you want to find the CAC of one cone, you know formula by RL. You know R value, but we don't know the L value. First we have to find the L. So to find the CSA, first we have to find the CAC of one cone. After that we have to find the for 10 cones, we have to multiply with 10. So what you have to do for find CAC required by RL. R is known, L is unknown. First you have to find the L value. We know the relation L square equals to H square plus R square. So L square equals to H square 27 square plus 7 square. So we have to find 27 square. 27 square nothing but 27 into 27. 7 7 is 49, 4 7 2 is 14, 4 18, 189. So 14 1 4 5. So that is 9. Next 2 1. So 5 1 6 7 29. You can see. Okay, 7 7 is 49, 4 7 2 is 14 plus 4. 189. Next 54. So that is 6 plus 1, so 729. So L square equals to 729 plus 7 square you know already 49. 729 plus 49. This is 8 1. So 778. 778. So for this we have to find the square root for the 778. 778. So how to find 7? First one is 2. Nearest to square number to 7, that is 4. If you take 3, 2 into 2, 4. 3, 78. We also add 2 plus 2, 4. So if you want to take 1 here, you have to multiply with 1. So 41, very less number. You want to multiply with 4, you have to take 4. 4 into 4, 16. 1, 4 into 4, 16, 1. Even though less value. Check for 8. So that is 4 into 4, 64. 6. 18, 8, 64. 6, 8 into 4, 32. 36. 32, 6, 38. We are getting more. We can go for 7. So 47 into 7. 7 into 7, 49. 4, then 28 plus 4, 32. Okay, we can do 329. So that is 18 minus 9, 9, 7 minus, okay, 6 minus 2, 4, so 0. So that is 27 point. We will get 49. After point we will get the 2 decimals. So 47 plus 7, 54. You want to multiply with 1, you have to multiply with 1. 541 into 5, that is 541. So you have to take the 4,900. So you have to take with the 4,500. So with 6, 36, 3, 24, 27, 2, 30, 32. You can try with another number. You can try with the 8. 8 and 64, 6, 32, 6, 38, 3, 43, 43. So 4, 3, 8, 4, very near. So if you take one more time, 48, we are getting more. So that is 27.8. So L equals to L square equals to 778. So what we get? L equals to under root of 778. So L equals to get what we did, that is, so if you simplify, already we did, you will get the L value. After getting L, we know it, we have to find the pi r value. CSA equals to pi r L. So we know pi value is 22/7, r is given 7 into L. So what is L? Already we did. So by taking that L value we substitute, we will get the CSA of one cone. We have to find the CSA of such 10 cones. We have to multiply with 10. Okay, tomorrow in next class we have to see the remaining problems. Thank you.